Hello, this is Dave from Wisdom Industry Company Limited. Today's video is about our four-wheeler ATV. It's in petrol and the engine displacement is 350 cc. And it's shaft drive on four-wheel driving. Here is the engine. Let's check this side. We have manual gear shift, 2 in forward and 1 in neutral, 1 in reverse. Here we have a LCD display on the speed and the forward and reverse, forward and the toward option switch. Some throttle. Here we have another, the four disc brakes, horn, flame out, headlight, and here is the electric starter. And we also have a pull starting. We have this big size ATV is for adult. We can have 2 riders on it with backrest, front bumper and the rear bumper. And here we have tow bar, 4 independent shock suspensions. And here we have shaft driving with power transmission and with swing arm on the both sides. LCD headlight. So for the latest prices, please feel free to inquire us. Bye bye.